Hey everybody, I'm Shantae and this is my daughter
Kaylee.
And we needed some fun, especially during this time where everyone's home. And we thought a great way would be to create Cook and Talk and bring it to you all. This is not scripted and we don't have everything down pat, so it might be a little funny, but bear with us. But we thought we would also like to invite you all to share your recipes that you cook together during this quarantine time. And then maybe we can, through social distancing, connect with you and share your recipe. Maybe we'll create it and then we'll talk to you. So I hope that you're all on board for that. But today we're going to what? Going to create, cook, and talk what?
Strawberries. So here's the
Strawberry what? Heads.
So here we need a strawberry, vanilla, frosting, make the little bit of chocolate chip.
And she means a little tiny chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Right.
And that's it.
Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so
first,
let me tell about the utensils. This is a to-go serrated edge knife and plastic knife, and I like this very much. I learned it from a special ed teacher, cooking teacher, that said, you know, pretty much you can cut anything with this, and I found it to be true. And I like it because I don't have to worry about her cutting her finger, and she doesn't have to be afraid. So a plastic knife, and we also have a 1/4-inch teaspoon. Oh, there was water in there. Sorry about that. A 1/4-inch teaspoon, like that we're going to use as a little scooper because I have an adult version of these that I want to make. So let's begin. Kaylee, what do we do first?
So first you need to cut the strawberry.
So you're gonna cut down like about halfway, right? Because we're making a face.
Yes.
And then you're gonna cut up from the bottom perpendicular and cut out like a triangle, right? Is that a triangle? What shape is that?
It's like a triangle.
Okay. Now take that part and now what? I'm gonna cut one for me.
Then all you have to do is use this little pick
To put the
little
a dab of frosting on for
the eyes.
Is that working? Here. Whoops, let's get you a little more. There. See if you can dab it on there.
The eyes.
It's not really working, Kay. All right. Let's.
Dang.
Dang?
I said darn.
No.
Anyway.
Okay, now what do? I put the frosting on for you. That's why it's cooking together, guys. We help each other.
So anyway, we're going to have chocolate chips.
What are the chocolate chips for?
For the eyes.
So they're like the center of the eyeball?
Yes.
Oh, mine got big eyes. And can I give him a goatee?
Yes, you can.
Because I want more frosting. Okay, you want to put eyeballs on mine?
Yes. So you need some, use your hand to top the chocolate chips.
To put the dots on there? To put the jar. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you guys so we don't bore you with how to make an adult version.
I will go first, then you go first.
Oh, you're okay. Well, then let me cut them for you. Okay, to make the adult version, Kaylee has her own version she likes and I like. We cut off the top of the strawberry and we cut off the bottom so that it will sit up. Got frosting on my hand. So I'm going to cut them for us to make it speed it up. And okay. Now.
So
wait, where's my scoop? Wait, let me get the scoops out so we can do it. So then we just scoop out the center. Okay, a little tiny bit. And we did wash our hands before this, everybody, right? Because you got to have safety, Kaylee, right?
Yep.
Health. That's a big thing right now. Okay.
Wash your hands and be nice and clean.
Okay, I was also going to share my version first. I mixed together some of the frosting and cream cheese to make it like a cream cheese filling. I put it in a plastic bag, and then I have one of those nozzles in the tips so that I can do this. Squeeze it in there. Boom. All right, and Kaylee likes to do it with what?
I use mine with whipped cream. Like, you may make your own ice cream sundae.
But you're just gonna fill it up, right?
Yeah, with
Okay. All right, and
with the head, you may do like
well, that's good. We made, right, strawberry heads. We got
Yes.
2 strawberry heads. We have 2 different desserts. You guys can make a whole plate full for your family.
your friends.
Or your friend. Well, you can't have friends over right now. So, but if you did have your friends over, you could have them. And it's create, cook, and talk. And did you have fun?
Yes.
Do you think this would be something fun you'd like to do with one of your friends?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to find recipes from other friends? Do you want to meet other people out there in Facebook world and online
Yeah.
and have them share a recipe?
Yeah.
And then try it?
Yeah. If you have a friend on Facebook, you may share with everybody on Facebook, all around the world.
You want them to share with us a recipe?
Yeah, you have to share
Your recipes.
your recipes on
That you like to cook.
You may share on ours on Facebook.
Share with us on Facebook,
all
and then
my
we'll
friends
make it.
will- yeah, and I will make it, and all my friends will see it.
All right. Encouraging speech while creating yum. That's one thing. And we
And you
hope
may
that,
eat it.
and we hope that you had some fun.
And I hope so.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, and have a nice day.